Alright guys, welcome back. This is a big day for you. You're going to learn about the while loop. And I made a little program to build up to the while loop. So let's just briefly explain this program real quick. We declare the variable c and assign it the value 0 in this program statement up top. Next statement is an if statement. So right now we have the variable c. And let me go ahead and run this. So c is equal to 0. Is 0 less than 10? That's true. Therefore, we enter this set of braces here. So now the next line that'll be processed is C++. Remember, this increases the value of the variable by 1. So now c is equal to 1 after this line is executed. Next, we print it out. c is 1, and as we can see right here, it is printed to 1. Then, of course, we exit out of these braces and go to this line that says terminate. Alright, this is where it becomes new. We're going to go over the while loop, okay? The only thing different about the while loop from the if statement is that if this portion is true, when it gets to the end of the brace, it's going to go back up here. It's going to go right to here again and check again if this statement is still true. And it will keep, and then if it's true, it's going to repeat this block again. It's going to repeat this block over and over until this portion becomes false. The moment this becomes false, we go out of these braces. We'll skip this entire brace and go straight. Let's go ahead and run this. You know what? I think 10's too much. Let's change this to 5. Okay, so C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then terminate. Okay, let's trace it. 0. Is it true? Yes. So we add 1, we print 1. We go again. Is 1 less than 5? True. We add 1 to it. Now it's 2, we print 2. Is 2 less than 5? We add 1 to it, and we print 3, because after we add 1 to it, it's 3. Alright. Next, is 3 less than 5? Yes, it is still true. So we add 1 to that, which now becomes 4. Alright, and then finally, is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is. So we add 1 to it. It is now 5. We print out 5. Now, is 5 less than 5? The moment this becomes 5 less than 5, it is evaluates to false, and then we skip this entire brace, and we execute this statement, and of course, after this statement's printed, it's terminated. So the while loop will repeat lines of code. And that's the conclusion of this video. We just got introduced to the while loop. So isn't that amazing? So you can imagine how creative we can get. And I'm going to actually demonstrate an example in the next video. We can put if statements in here. You know, we can put an entire... We can even put another while loop in here if we wanted to. There's many things you can do. You can keep chaining these. If we have maybe like 2 or 3 variables, you know, one's got to be right, and we need to repeat until a condition's satisfied. Yes, this is, you know, I think when you make any kind of app or any kind of game, you're going to have some kind of loop that repeats while something's running. It's waiting on you, or there's a video playing. Something's going on until you decide to tell it to stop. Alright, I'm starting to ramble now. Let's go over a different example in the next video. I hope that I hope this was very clear. And let's let that sink in before we watch the next video.